Good morning to all y'all skiers out there. What weather Andorra is having? Light rain or snow with no or low visibility up the slopes today. So what time is it? It's shopping time. I'm just taking advantage of this grim weather to do some holiday shopping. Get it out of the way before going back up the ski slopes tomorrow morning. I will probably ski at Arinsal or Arcalís because there are too many people at Gran Valira. I have an idea what the snow conditions are like at Arinsal and hope the snow conditions have improved at Arcalís with this new snow because it was very icy last week when I was there. Now back to the holiday shopping business in Andorra la Vella. I just needed to pick up a few gift items and that would do it for me. But sometimes I do get distracted and my eyes wander around. Winter is time to shop for winter gear. No bikini, no beachy articles until summer rolls around, of course. Plus, I have been wanting to do a shopping video in Andorra la Vella for a while now. So here we go. You know, looking back, shopping is more tiring than skiing. I was exhausted, but I got my shopping done though. There's traffic there with little doggy. Shall we go in here? Yeah. Beautiful jacket from Norona. It's a pullover and it's got zips on the side, easy to take off, and big kangaroo pockets. I love it. Let's see how much it is. 375. Isn't that cute? Do you know Monte Rosa? This store covers all sport gears, but more like a fashion statement than good technical gear, like Norona, Mountain Hardware, mountain equipment, Arcalís, Melee, Helly Hansen, just to name a few. I don't like bling bling, but this shop has cute fur items. When it's extremely cold, a fur coat can save your life, or Canada Goose. I think this is an excellent shop for guys who are looking for gift items for their girlfriends. Very warm. I like that one too. Very cool hat. Very tiny purse, and you can wear it on your belt as well. I love it. Very colorful. These are gloves and they are all fur. Or mink. I think these are mink. Purse. I love this hat. We'll probably never wear it. And this one's so cool. Must be really warm. Or this tiny little purse. Very cute. Look at that. Look how cute that is. Alright, continue on with the shopping. Villa Domat and Pyrenees are two good department stores. They have almost everything in one place. That is, if you don't like to go from shop to shop and waste time. Plus, at Villa Domat, they have really good customer service at the ski section, similar to Esport Espuñes, which I have already covered in some of my videos, buying ski gears and stuff. Okie dokie, please continue on shopping, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Thank you for shopping with me, and happy skiing! Wow, wow, wow. More crazy stuff. Oh, cute dog. Hola. I found the gift wrap section. Here we go. Muy bien, muchas gracias. I wonder what's going on there. Andorra is a very safe place, but maybe they're just being careful. You never know. Canada Goose. I don't think it's cold enough in Andorra to wear Canada Goose. Nice. Go Mar. Good brand. It's an Audi jacket. Sponsored by Audi. Oh, I like this sweater. Cute. Look at this ski outfit. Pretty ridiculous looking. Look at that. Elvis is back on the slopes. Look at that, rock and roll on the slope. Oh, nice. This should be warm. I don't know. Children's section. Actually, I have very small hands. I usually get children gloves. And small sizes. I think those are cute. Super duper warm. I like that. But I just have new slippers this for Christmas for this year. So I better not get any more slippers. So now we live in a very material world. We have so many things. iPhone, Apple Watch, iPods, iPad, MacBook, everything close to our eyes. Let's go into the sports section, see if there's anything interesting for the gym. Very cute, I love pink. Pink is think pink. Pink is my color. I think we're done with this shop.
Yeah.
Choices, choices, choices. Whiskey after whiskey after whiskey.